Have you heard the famous 3-fund portfolio in index fund investing? If not, I will break it down for you in this video. Imagine yourself as a parent with 3 kids. One super smart, one average, and the last one, let's just call him the cute one. Naturally, you like to invest all your money in the brightest kid, right?
Hey, that's not fair. You should love them all equally.
Absolutely. Equal love for all 3 kids. Fast forward 30 years, they're all grown up. Your genius kid becomes a CEO, the second child an engineer, and the cute one settles for a part-time job. When retirement comes around, your brightest child gives you $1 million house. The second buys you a Mercedes. While the third, he still lives with you. Although financially less able, he pays you $100 monthly for rent and provides constant accompany. Dropping you off at the church on Sundays, taking a walk with you every day, now you have the perfect retirement life. This scenario mirrors the essence of the 3-fund portfolio. Instead of kids, imagine your investment portfolio comprising 3 funds. The US Total Stock Market Index Fund, your genius kid, the Total International Stock Index Fund, your second child, and the Total Bond Market Index Fund, the cute one. Historical data shows the US stock market delivers the most profit, followed by the international stock market, and the bond market offers the lowest returns, but also with the lowest risk. If you put equal amount of money in these 3 funds, this strategy would yield an average annual return of 7.4% over the past decade. You would turn 100K into 200K in 10 years. If you continue the investment for another 20 years, you will grow to 800K at the same rate. Now you may ask, why do I have to pick those 3 funds? The answer is because they track 3 major markets that are largely unrelated. This ensures a well-diversified portfolio that reduces the risk of multiple funds experiencing a significant crash at the same time. Just like your kids live separate lives, any big changes in one won't really heavily impact the others. For example, consider the smartest kid. What if his wife doesn't like you and she wants the house back? I know it may sound crazy, but hey, if your wife asks you to choose between your parents and her, who would you pick? Anyway, point being, if you lost the house, not the end of the world. You will still have the love and support from the other 2 kids. That's why having those 3 funds in your portfolio is so crucial. Okay, no more family drama. Now if you want to favor the smartest one for potential greater rewards, well, just between us, if I were you, I would probably do the same. You can allocate your money unevenly based on strategy and risk tolerance. I've shared a website in the description below discussing different investment ways and returns based on various plans. It also includes a chart showing what fund you should buy to cover those 3 markets depending on the broker you use. That sums up the 3-fund portfolio. But what if you only have fewer kids? 2 are fine, you can pick 2 funds from the 3 markets. Even 1 could work. You can just pick the US Total Stock Market or S&P 500 Index Fund. But just keep in mind, it's riskier than investing in multiple markets. Especially if you are so close to retirement, evaluate your risk tolerance before any aggressive investing. That's everything about 3-fund portfolio. If you like this video, subscribe and hit the like button. I'll catch you in the next one.